guys! Welcome to my channel. It's me, Feb Abok Walter ulit. Ayan, so magka-unbox po tayo ngayon ng isang tawag nito. It's a USB condenser microphone. So titingnan natin kung ano yung style niya. Ayan. Order online. In-order namin to online. Of course, made in China. So everything is made in China nowadays. So yan. Unbox nga natin to. Kung ano kanong style. Anong style ba to? Ayan. 2-year warranty card. May 2-year warranty siya. Ayan po. Tapos ito yung manual instruction, yung manual book niya. So yan guys, kung paano i-connect or ano, let's see. Wow naman, ka-cute naman to guys. So ayan, brand niya is Tonor ang brand niya. So kung maliit lang siya, very cute. So yan yung USB, isasaksak mo sa tawag nito, plug it into your computer, and then may stand din siya guys. It's already built in. So this is a tripod. My built in na rin yung tripod niya. So ayan, we'll see if it works. Ayan siya guys, yung style niya oh. So binili namin to online, mga $30 to $40. Ang cute naman ng condenser oh. Ka-cute naman ng condenser niya. Try ko sa next na ano to. Try ko sa next na tawag nito. So next LS natin for a cause. Ayan. Try ko siya mamaya. Ayan, ang cute niya guys. Tapos ito oh, yan, yung condenser. Hello. Mic test. Cute siya. Ayan, oh, binili namin sa Amazon. Ito ng $40. $30 to $40 yata. I can't remember the price. So ayan guys, subukan natin. Cute naman. So ito is just a cover. You can take it off. Ayan yung style na yung microphone. Pero kung gusto mong maprotektahan yan ng mga laway-laway, kabitin mo siya. Ayan na guys. So ayan, ito lang guys. So susubukan ko dyan kung pwede. So thank you for watching again guys. So ayan, see you next time. See you next on my video. See you next time. At kung kayo ay bago sa ating bago sa aking YouTube channel, better subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell for more video updates guys. Ayan, so itatry ko to guys. Yan, ka-cute yung tripod oh. Subukan ko. Ayan, so thank you guys again for watching. God bless everyone.